12 months but not at 8 months of age. What is accept about it? Finger thumb grasp. Children at 12 months can stand alone, make postural adjustments and dressing and have a well-developed pincer grasp is what need to be appreciated. Then what is meant by failure to thrive? Why does it occur? All causes of failure to thrive is an important issue. It is due to the lack of calories. Can lack of calories only occur in the poor, impoverished child, or even a rich family brought up child also? Anybody it can happen, right? So that's the reason most common cause of the failure to thrive is lack of calories. A young couple have learned that the wife's father, aged 42 years, had Huntington's disease, and they have a son and a daughter. The son and the daughter, so what is the chance of the children born to that couple? For the children born to that couple, what will happen? That primary case, who had Huntington's? Grandpa. Agar grandpa ko hai to, after one generation, when the next generation occur in the pedigree, what will be the chances? Agar grandpa ko hai to, for the child to get, immediate child, father generation, 1/2 chances. Grandson generation, 1/4 chances. So that's what you need to basically appreciate. An infant is delivered at 32 weeks. 32 weeks is what? Preterm. And is having respiratory distress. Sana, आपका आंसर क्या है बेटा?
Hyaline membrane disease.
Super. Hyaline membrane disease. Transient tachypnea of newborn, hyaline membrane disease, meconium aspiration. As a house surgeon in pediatrics, when the newborn baby has dyspnea, you need to know how to differentiate the three. Based on the history. Caesarean section history hai kya? Diabetic mother hai kya? Preterm baby hai kya? Is he a term baby? These are the few questions. If you answer, you will get the diagnosis. Now, regarding the jaundice, what is your answer? Sana, what is your wrong answer? Jaldi bolo bete. Pessimistic teacher I am.
There is no risk of kernicterus in biliary atresia.
Your answer was?
C.
C. Alright. Then you are the right answer. Why there will be no risk of kernicterus in biliary atresia? Wo batao.
Conjugated.
Excellent. Conjugated hyperbilirubinemia. It is the unconjugated which will go into the brain and lead to kernicterus. Now, doctor, necrotizing enterocolitis, what is accept about it? Sana, what is your answer?
Clostridia primary.
You thought it as?
A, sir.
Very good. It is not the Clostridia, but who is responsible? The normal gut organisms, E. coli, are the ones which are mainly responsible. Intraventricular hemorrhage, IVH. What is your answer?
I don't know, sir.
No, you can think some answer. Yes, doctor. What is your answer? Periventricular leukomalacia, you thought. It is the venous infarction. Why it is not leukomalacia, I leave the literature for you. Periventricular leukomalacia is symmetrical and often due to the ischemia which involves that is arterial insufficiency of the white matter. The intraventricular hemorrhage is basically a venous infarct, not an arterial infarct. Hence no leukomalacia is what you need to understand. 5-year-old is having slow healing erosions on the head and trunk with oral erosions. What is the diagnosis that comes to your mind, doctor? It is pemphigus? Beautiful. Not bullous pemphigoid. So desmoglein 3 antibodies. One question will definitely come, doctor. Dermatitis herpetiformis, bullous pemphigoid, pemphigus vulgaris. Dermatology में 5 questions में एक question जरूर इसमें आएगा. Take it as my word. If you are reading more than 10 topics in dermatology, In spite of attending coaching to us, with us, we failed in our job in tutoring you. Only 10 topics in dermatology you read and throw away. Let me tell you. In the topic list given to you. All of you have the topic list, right? You took the topic list. Top 10. अगर फिर भी एनर्जी है थोड़ा कुछ बाकी है तो जिंदा है तो रीडिंग रूम में और 5 टॉपिक्स 15 टॉपिक्स पढ़ के जाओ डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट 4 out of 5 marks in dermatology. Limited preparation. Recently also we analyzed Maharashtra paper last before week wala and COVID ke paper. 80% questions are from the high yield topic list ka top 50 mein, top 50% mein. That's all is entrance. 28-year-old, very painful unilateral erythema on the right flank. Multiple clear fluid filled blisters. What is your answer, doctor? What you are basically suspecting, doctor? Dermatomal pattern of erythematous lesions means herpes zoster. Right? So that is the reason herpes zoster may, you can take a JANK preparation and can be able to clinch the diagnosis. Lymphogranuloma venereum, what is the treatment? Doxy. Once more, top topics in dermatology bole to 5 STDs, syphilis, LGV, granuloma inguinale, chlamydia, FUD, anything about it you must answer, and herpes. Now doctor, Kaposi's varicilliform eruption, where you see doctor classically, it has a relationship with atopic dermatitis. It has got a relationship. Seborrheic dermatitis is common in which subset of population? इसको cradle cap बोलते बच्चों में. HIV, Parkinson's patients. Seborrheic dermatitis is very common. What is sign of lesser Thalat? You heard that? Seborrheic keratosis will be found. Dermatitis is different from keratosis. What is that appearance called as? You took a little dung and hit to the wall. It's called stuck-on appearance of the dung. Like that, if it appears on the face of your patient, that means he has some internal malignancy. Sudden appearance of multiple seborrheic keratosis is called sign of lesser Thala, is what need to be remembered. Favus is because of what, doctor? Favus. Trichophyton schallenia. One dermatophyte to jarur aayega. Fastest recovery, where do you see, doc? Give some confident answer. Question number 96. Desflurane, which is carried by the RBC in the blood. Anesthesia is like any amount you read, still examiner will have some fact to chase you. After all, our anesthesia exposure is how much? 2-3 days in the OT, right? So what is your answer? Cyclopropane. It is inflammable, explosive, pleasant smelling, and it is stored in cylinders at room temperature, and induction is smooth with it, it is fast with it, and it is carried in the blood attached to the RBCs. Classical feature of cyclopropane. Which agent doesn't depress the myocardium? Why is it important? Nowadays, earlier days, people are afraid to operate on a 70-year-old. Nowadays, 85 also will say, why not? Let me have one CABG there, prostate here, and I am ready to marry once more to live up to 100. Longevity of people is increasing, their desire to live is to touch century is increasing. So you must know which agents are good, even if the patient has a coronary artery disease. Ether. Ether, doctor, for that matter, safest drug. एक small hamlet में अगर आप cesarean करना है तो एनेस्थेटिस्ट नहीं आए तो ईथर लगा के करके निकाल सकते बच्चे को. Ether is once upon a time when there used to be anesthetists who got addicted to ether. So, cautery, if you use, all these are contraindicated. One is, what is your answer, doctor?
Halothane.
Halothane and cautery has not much of relationship. Induction of agent, our chemistry teacher taught us which law? Henry's law. At constant temperature, amount of the gas that dissolves in a given type and volume of the liquid is proportional to the partial pressure of that gas in the equilibrium. So, for which agent you will get second gas effect? Nitrous oxide. Right? So, that is very important. 7-year-old girl, productive cough, fever, night sweats, weight loss. You are thinking TB. How do you differentiate primary TB from secondary TB? Come on doctor, TB radiology. कैविटेशन होता है सेकेंडरी टीबी में, लिम्फेडिनोपैथी होता है होगा प्राइमरी टीबी में, is what you need to remember. 50-year-old chest x-ray was done, solitary pulmonary nodule is being found. That is the main challenge. Lot of times your patients will come running to you. Why they came running to you? Ravinder Rao is our patient. He says, doctor, my daughter is in America. She invited me to America. Otherwise, I am a wealthy farmer coming from the coastal belt. I don't have any need of going anywhere. The coastal belt itself is like downtown London. But still she invited me, she booked tickets also, my son-in-law is a doctor there. Doctor, I took x-ray and there is a solitary pulmonary nodule. Wahan se shuru ho gaya story. He was happily living, but for the daughter's invitation, he went to get insurance, one medical checkup, and that fellow, Goodlingam, has done one x-ray and all botheration began. So, as a clinician, you must decide. Looking at x-ray, is it benign or malignant? Does it need a biopsy or no biopsy? Can he go to America, come back after 6 months and recheck the x-ray? It all depends on what are his earlier x-rays by chance. You will ask him, okay, what are your earlier x-rays? Till now I have not gone to a doctor, is what that proud owner of about 40 acres of paddy land will tell you. So doctor, life in real clinical scenarios, every patient is a drama, is a movie. So how many of you want to take MD General Medicine? MD General Medicine is like emperor. The day starts, day ends without your knowledge, because you have another 10 to 20 stories to listen from the patient. Right, doctor? So lobulated margins, if they are there, that suggests malignancy. That suggests malignancy. So you must know all radiological differences of interpreting space occupying lesion in the lung, in the brain, in the adrenal. So many SOLs you will come across. Now you are reviewing plain radiographs of a young man in a road traffic accident and there are multiple right-sided rib fractures. Generally, doctor, if first rib is broken means unless it is a severe trauma, it won't be broken. So 10th to 12th ribs are present means further imaging is required. Why? Spleen, liver, every organ is in proximity of that. You must know splenic injury or etc. etc. A previously well 80-year-old has subcapital fracture. So a woman may pathological fracture. What is it due to? It is due to underlying malignancy. Most common is breast cancer. 72-year-old from Nellore has dyspepsia, weight loss, bullseye lesion is being found on gastric mucosa. What are the causes of bullseye lesion? Gastric carcinoma, gastrointestinal stromal tumor, melanoma metastasis, Melanoma is the most common malignancy to metastasize submucosally to the stomach. But what are meganstress? Meganstress are those normal longitudinal mucosal folds which are found along the lesser curvature, is what you have to basically remember whenever you do the barium meal. 35-year-old unmarried guy living in Navi Mumbai says that anytime he look at people, he thinks that they are talking to each other. If you are a popular guy in the class, in the medical college, what is the frustration you will enter before entrance exam? You will be thinking all of the people, classmates of me are having expectation of my winning entrance. Sachai bole to, getting distinctions in MBBS is a very easy job. Suddenly consolidating all 19 subjects is a tough job. So whenever you are walking, you will be thinking everybody is talking about you. But actually they are talking about their own miseries of life. Who has time to worry or bother about you? So it's an example of a delusion. How many answered it as hallucination? I know. Hallucination बोले तो smoke भी नहीं है, हवा भी नहीं है, फिर भी आपको दिखाई दे रहे घर का जलना, without any stimulus. यहां तो आप लोग को देख रहे and you are misinterpreting wrongly their regular talk as a talk about you. So that makes it a delusion here. Illusion, delusion, hallucination, you must know the fundamental differences of definition. Now all these are correctly matched, doctor. What is not correctly matched? Auditory hallucinations. Atropine and cocaine में क्या होगा? Tactile hallucinations होगा. Auditory hallucinations are found in deaf people or those who are taking psychoactive disorders. Psychosis में auditory hallucinations आएगा. Loss of insight is a feature of psychotic schizophrenic will not know that he is schizophrenic really. If he knows, he is no more schizophrenic. Simple law. So that's the reason we used to call a tough professor. He is a schizophrenic with insight. He knows that he is torturing us every day in the ward rounds, and he knows that he is torturing. So, but we don't want to call him that he is not psychotic. He is psychotic and he is a psychotic with insight. But psychotics truly will not be having insight. Clive Bucy. What are the important features, doctor, of Clive Bucy? Yeah. Delusions are not the part. Clive Bucy is because of what injury? Bilateral temporal lobe removal will lead to loss of recognition of people, loss of fear, rage reaction, hypersexuality. He will be jumping on anybody who comes on his way. EEG. One question on EEG, doctor. Without that, there is no paper. Take it as my bet. As for waves, beta waves, everything you must be quite sure. Awake mein kya hoga, deep sleep mein kya hoga, thalamus say which waves originate, etc., etc. Now, familial adenomatous polyposis. It doesn't present with bowel obstruction, but it can lead to diarrhea, lower abdominal pain, etc., etc. If you store, which cells will have longest life, doctor? RBCs, beautiful. About 3 weeks is a long duration that they will be staying. Now, energy requirements. What is the correct answer? I am very happy to see 28 plus of our online viewers and lot of students from the centers attending the session. So, just one small quiz question on a lighter vein I like to ask you. How many students in a medical college will have a internet and a computer by themselves, doctor? Just help us to give you a small feedback. Because we are starting a center in Gulbarga, Yavatmal, Miraj, small places. I discovered to my surprise that about 80% of students don't have computer. or laptop. Without laptop and computer to do MBBS is a course of huge knowledge invasion, and nowadays you need not depend on the faculty immediately available. They can be faculty globally available. You can sit in the college and access a Canada or a New York or a Massachusetts professor delivering a lecture in the modern time. But internet is not available. That's the reason in smaller cities we have to still open the centers, provide internet and provide a classroom kind of setting. So I just want to take a feedback. Is it worth students can access by themselves, or we need to open? So we are doing a small analysis on that. You can give a feedback. Where a small center is opened, we broadcast the live classes every day with quiz and everything, so that even the PSC doctors can come down and attend a center where live class from different faculty across India delivers, because people don't have computers and internet at their homes. I thought last year that we can get rid of all these classroom kind of scenarios and people happily can sit in the home and access, but that's not happening every time. So doctor, 60 kg sedentary individual, 1200 to 1500. Carbohydrates provide 4.2, lipids provide 9 is the kilocalories. Now, burn dressings. What is accept about burn dressings, doctor? Yes, Naina rightly says, not many have computer, those who have computer don't have internet. If they have internet, speed is not there. So it is better we provide a speed internet in a place for people. But a lot of people, nowadays on mobile phone you can access the lecture. If you are really busy, they are all streamable onto the mobile phone, and smartphones have come into our life, unsmarting us or oversmarting over us. So, soframycin, you don't use for large burns. Why? Soframycin, toxic ingredient. It gets absorbed, it leads to toxicity. That's the reason not for large burns. D. Quervain's thyroiditis, granulomatous thyroiditis. So, how do you want to basically treat? We treat it by giving steroids. Once more, doctor. Hashimoto, D. Quervain, subacute thyroiditis, all these forms of thyroiditis. Where will radionuclide uptake will be more, where it will be no uptake, all the differences in thyroiditis you have to be sure before exam. Now, what is untrue about an adrenocortical tumor? Disgusting question. Male, female, equal distribution. Here you have to basically using the elimination. Mitotain is used definitely. What is your wrong answer, Sana?
I wrote A only, sir.
You wrote A? Good. Good elimination skill. That's all is needed. Lymphatic drainage of the breast, what is not true? What is not true? What is a sentinel lymph node? Pehla lymph node. The first boyfriend or girlfriend in life is called sentinel. Ultimately you will metastasize to them or not is a different story. So, first lymph node to metastasize. But majority of lymph will go to axillary lymph node, 85% of times. Sentinel node is the first node draining the lymph. It depends upon location of the breast where the tumor is there. Medial upper, medial lower, lateral upper, lateral lower. Where is it? Based on that, sentinel will be decided. It is the first one, not always the axillary one. Commonest site for the occurrence of the breast cancer. It is the upper outer is what need to be remembered. Why? Reason is not known, but yeah. There is an unfortunate repetition of the same question. Yeah. A simple mastectomy will not involve which one? It will not involve the axillary fat. Nipple, areolae, tail, everything is being removed. Nodes are also removed, then you call radical mastectomy is what need to be remembered. Where do you see carotid atherioma fundamentally? Internal carotid retina, at its origin, you have the carotid atherioma. A patient comes for a routine checkup and you found that there is an aneurysm. Once for elderly people में aortic aneurysms are very common, asymptomatic. Ultrasound करे तो दिखाई देगा. What is the most common predisposing factor for aortic aneurysm? Atherosclerosis. As you keep aging, atherosclerosis do occur. So when you want to operate, if it is 5 to 7 centimeters in size, but not if it is 2 to 4. That's important criteria. Dysphagia lusoria is due to which vessel? It is that aberrant right subclavian artery which lead to development of compression on the esophagus leading to dysphagia lusoria. Coronary vein, we know about coronary artery. So where will it basically drain into, doctor? Into portal vein from the stomach. You have done Billroth type 2 gastrojejunostomy. Post jejunostomy, if there is a recurrence of the ulcer, most common site to recur is near the anastomosis in the jejunum, is the most common location, is what you need to appreciate. What is the most common site of obstruction due to peptic ulcer disease? What was your wrong answer, Sana?
C, sir.
Huh?
C.
C, yeah? Oh, very good. First part of duodenum. Excellent. Primary biliary cirrhosis. Basically, it is common in the middle-aged female coming with pruritus, anti-mitochondrial, antibody positivity, etc., etc. You need to be anti-smooth muscle antibody positivity, etc. You need to be quite sure about. Now, different types of needles, where will you use? Is a common question in the exam, doctor. Must be quite sure. Chibas needle is for PDCA. Verres needle is what you use in laparoscopy for producing pneumoperitoneum. Then manganese needle is for liver biopsy. Tricket needle is basically for breast lump or prostate if you are doing the biopsy. Instruments chapter in surgery, least studied chapter when going for final year exam. Unfortunately, one more repeat of the same question happened. Now, primary sclerosing cholangitis. What is your answer, doctor? What is not a feature? Shoot me an answer. Sana?
I wrote D, sir.
Huh?
D.
D. Repeated dilatation of strictures is sometimes useful. It is useful. But you don't find biliary lithiasis in spite of the stenosis in case of primary sclerosing cholangitis. Now, annular pancreas. What is your answer? What is not true about annular pancreas? It is not the dorsal pancreatic bud but ventral pancreatic bud which is basically responsible. Regarding peritoneum, whenever it heals, doctor, it will heal throughout the surface. That's the reason large defects and small defects will heal equally rapid, is the nature of peritoneum. Meckel's diverticulum, what is the least possibility? Diverticulitis. What is the confusion in this question? You will be thinking peptic ulcer disease हो रहे ना, इसके वजह से मेलिना होना, GI bleeding होना. Peptic ulcer disease होने के बावजूद it does not lead to hematemesis or melena. That is the speciality of the peptic ulcer disease which you find in Meckel's diverticulum. And whenever it occurs, the bleeding, it will be a fresh rectal bleeding. It won't be an upper GI bleeding. That's the reason hematemesis or melena are the signs of upper GI bleeding, which is not the feature of Meckel's diverticular bleeding, is what you have to basically remember. Now coming to the ulcerative colitis. So you must be sure differences between Crohn's and ulcerative colitis. Without that, there is no question paper. No question paper. Crohn's generally, what is the most common site of involvement, doctor? It can occur anywhere, but ileum is the most common location. There are carcinoid syndrome-like features. A carcinoid tumor in which location more likely to lead to syndrome-like picture, doctor? Ileal carcinoids. Though it occur appendix more commonly, appendiceal carcinoids do not metastasize. Unless they metastasize to the right side, that is towards the liver and lungs, they don't lead to development of carcinoid syndrome is what you need to ultimately remember. Lipoma of the large gut. Where do you see that? Typically you will see it in cecum. Now, if you are doing colonoscopy, if perforation occur, what is the common location for it? What is the wrong answer, Sana? Commonest site for the perforation?
Splenic flexure.
Huh?
Splenic flexure. Splenic flexures.
Splenic flexure you thought. Sigmoid colon is what need to be remembered. Absolute constipation. Where do you expect to see absolute constipation? If an enterocoel has obstructed. But Richard's hernia where only partially, only one part of the gut got incarcerated, that doesn't lead to absolute constipation is what need to be understood. Congenital atresias are commonly, most commonly, duodenal atresias. Easy question. Most common cause of the fracture, typically in the proximal femur are all, proximal femur are pathological fractures. Whereas are pathological fractures which occur because of the loss of the bone density, that is the osteoporosis. Infrequent bone tumors which are most benign classically are giant cell tumors. Giant cell tumor is benign and its malignant counterpart is the malignant giant cell tumor. There are two variants of that, unfortunately. Now, rheumatoid arthritis may you don't use pamidronate. Pamidronate is a drug you use for osteoporosis or malacia. Porosis, right? Calcium, for the pamidronate. Now, alendronate, pamidronate, etc. Now, coming to tears of the rotator cuff. They can occur in old people and they do not heal easily because of lack of proper blood supply. Now coming to anterior dislocation may. What is the most common nerve? Standard question. Axillary nerve, structure, no? Overall structure was given. Nerve injuries occur only in 5%. Axillary nerve is involved. We'll recheck the answer of this. Now, recurrent shoulder dislocation. Basically, this requires a small alteration in the question frame. Dislocation is usually antero-inferior. It should be the ideal way of setting the options. Tennis elbow. Is it extensor or flexor? Extensor origin or flexor? Lateral or medial condyle? So it involves extensor carpi radialis brevis tendon and common extensor origin. Congenital torticollis. What will you do, doctor? We basically prescribe passive stretching exercises in the neck are considered to be the main part of the treatment. Intervertebral disc. All neurosurgeons and neurologists are living on MRIs. So that is the best way to discover the presence of the disc. Skeletal dysplasia is not a feature in Marfan. Marfan may collagen, connective tissue, they are all the ones which are under a great problem. Now, what is acute inflammation of G's gland called? It is basically called external hordeolum, not internal hordeolum is what you need to appreciate. Coloboma of the lid or the commonest side, classical question. Medial half of the upper lid. I didn't get time to bring the images, but Burroughs operation. Where will you do, doctor? If you don't read ophthalmology, you will be smelling bitter almonds. So, entropion. Sauce cheese retinopathy, classical of CMV. I'll try to run fast. In neovascularization, what will you do? You will be like 007 super, what you call, laser gun, pan-retinal photocoagulation is what you need to do. Mutton fat keradic precipitates, classical of granulomatous, uveitis, iridocyclitis. Then chronic granulomatous uveitis is not a feature of Fuchs heterochromic cyclitis, but sarcoidosis, tuberculosis, brucellosis, any of them can lead to. So, Fuchs heterochromic cyclitis is which kind of uveitis, doctor? It is a non-granulomatous form of uveitis. There is a classification in the uveitis, granulomatous, non-granulomatous. Glaucoma, cataract, uveitis, conjunctivitis, corneal dystrophies, like that. Top 20 topics ophthalmology list mein padho and go to exam. Goniotomy mein what will you not do? If you do goniotomy with a constricted pupil, not a dilated pupil, is what you have to basically appreciate, doctor. Organ laser trabeculoplasty, classically done in the case of the primary open angle glaucoma. Recent question in the one of the discussions we had. Following trabeculotomy, what complications basically occur? There will be no choroidal degeneration, but choroidal detachment occur after trabeculotomy, because trabeculotomy lead to hypotonia of the globe. That is the predisposing factor for the choroidal detachment, right? Now, stapes foot plate, it comes from the otic capsule. It is the first pharyngeal pouch from where the eustachian tube develops. Then you must know the middle ear muscles. Tense tympani dampens the vibration. Stapedius dampens the vibration of the foot plate of the stapes, as the name says. This is another very standard question. What acoustic emissions are the way by which you can be able to know outer hair cell functioning? Commonly asked in exam. Now, coming to Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, you don't see spontaneous recovery. There is a facial paralysis, sensorineural hearing loss, etc., etc. And you treat with antiviral agents and also you give systemic steroids. Even if you mark once more pustules, then it is indicative of masteritis, where it is called reservoir sign. Lighthouse sign you see in ASOM, just like the lighthouse, intermittent reflection of the light is what you typically see. Whenever there is a lateral sinus thrombophlebitis, otitis media, extracranial, intracranial complications is the favorite question of the topic for the examiner in the high yield topic list, doctor. Then what will happen? Peripheral angle of the dura may, there is an enhancement. Central part may, there will be no enhancement. It looks like delta. That is basically suggestive of lateral sinus thrombophlebitis on CT and MRI. Positive Schwartz sign means typically in otosclerotic individuals who are having active focus, then there will be a flamingo flush of the tympanic membrane, which is a very, very classical feature. Mean ears may, you find drop attacks are very, very common. Now comes the gynecology and obstetrics, doctor. Shall we discuss? How many still have energy? Weekly 2 tests and discussions is becoming painful, but still we have to, because our fortunate opportunity to meet all of you will be there for another 3 weeks. After that, once more we will have new faces, new energies, and another group comes. So for a coaching guru and the one who maintains a graveyard, life is routine. Maybe deaths are not routine for us. So mortalities in entrance exams are not routine for you. But mortalities in entrance, success in entrance is a day in and day out issue for us. So doctor, don't be disappointed by either of them. Your job is to finish the high yield topic list, go to exam, automatically you will win the exam. That's my guarantee for you. Only thing is you need to little motivate. Everyone slows down. It's not that everyone is born with some amount of ignition from behind. Those who rise from a falling state, motivate themselves, be proactive, accumulate energy, confidence, incurable optimism. Yes, they are the ones who are born to win. Let me tell you. Even in intensive care, when you are managing patients, if you say give up, patient is give up. If you say let's try, let's intubate, let us give inotropics, let us push antibiotics, let us see for a recovery, patient can survive. Especially if the patient is relatively younger. Once more, even for the patient, if you put on ventilator, if he don't want to live, even if you put on ventilator, he won't. You check. Tomorrow when you manage patients, some patients don't want to die. Don't want to die. Those who don't want to die, when you put them on ventilator, in spite of a diffuse sepsis, hypotension, blah, 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 they'll come out of the ventilator. So it is all the hope that drives us to win and lose any endeavor of life, doctor. Another 30 questions. Let us run. Primary germ cells. From where you get, doctor? They originate from yolk sac. Placenta is fully formed by, disgusting question, 12th week. Few numericals of obstetrics. Fetal vessels, which will close first at birth, doctor? Ductus venusus. How many of you answered foramen ovale? Sana, I know, doctor, I know. I know what are the wrong answers depending on which level of preparation students are in. So, no problem. Now, breech delivery, extended breech delivery. Which maneuver you will not employ? 3 maneuvers, doctor. Pinard's maneuver, Losel's maneuver, Mauritius simile-beat maneuver. How will you do? When will you do? Why will you do? Prerequisites, everything you must know. Love site is for delivering the arm is what need to be remembered. Then, above the ischial spines, if you want to deliver the after coming head in a breech, what is the best method? It is the Mauritius simile-beat. Because you can't employ forceps or you can't do Burn Marshall if he is above the brim. Then in a multigravida, if there is an unstable lie, how will you manage? What is the common for an unstable lie in a multigravida? Generally because of a patulous abdomen. So you need to give induction with syntocinon followed by artificial rupture of membranes. That's how you stabilize the lie and then deliver. A multigravida can't prolapse with rupture of membrane in the second stage. What is the best way that you want to manage? Which is the shortest route you can take? Forceps. How many answered cesarean? I know. Cesarean के लिए anesthetist को बुलाना. Anesthetist कहाँ रहते उस वक़्त? He may be there in a bar and restaurant, fully drunken state. उसको पहला उनके अंदर के नशा निकाल के, you have to give him a water bath and bring him to give anesthesia. वो सबके लिए वक्त लगेगा डॉक्टर. So forceps is the quickest way, is what need to be remembered. And head is near the outlet. That's the reason cesarean section is not required, is what need to be remembered. Then multiple pregnancy, if you give FSH, LH, clomiphene, all these drugs, 15 to 30% chance of hyperovulation. But that is, the multiple pregnancy is only less than 1% in case of GnRH usage is what need to be remembered. Monozygotic twins versus dizygotic twins.